Hello world. Yeah, today was another spectrum day, baby. Caught them all on a golden apple. Y'all asked me what they look like. That's the golden apple right there. I love this bait. You know, I'm not gonna promote anything that doesn't work or that I don't really like for any reason. This bait works. Like I like my Z-Man products. I like Mr. Charlie's baits. These spectrum baits, they're what I call a medium size. I really like these baits, and they've really been performing for me, world. They've been doing really, really well. Mr. Charlie takes care of me, keep me with another plethora of baits, so I can come out here and do what I need to do, put on a show for y'all, world. So today was a bayou day. I chased the birds. The birds were diving, so that's what I did. I chased the birds. And wherever I found the birds, I found fish. I hooked up on a big redfish, but he got off before I got him in. I hooked up on several doubles. I had doubles that were getting off of the boat where I'd have a double coming in, and then by the time I got it to the boat, I had nothing. 2 bass, 2 redfish, 2 speckled trout. It was going down this morning. I caught croakers, white trout, redfish, speckled trout, bass. Only thing I didn't catch today was a flounder. The only thing. So today I say was a successful day due to spectrum baits and my talents. All right, world. Well, I'm gonna get on up out of here. I need y'all to like, subscribe, and leave a comment for your boy. Tell me anything, ask me anything, world. All right, world. Marsh it. Uh-oh, world. Look like we got some birds diving. We gotta check it out through here, baby. Oh, saw them diving yesterday, so I said I'd come back this evening. Well, not this evening, this morning. Come back this morning. Check that out. Oh, bro. Small speckle. First one of the day, world. Find where they at. Hope we can catch us some keepers out here. Another trawling it. Big one. White trout. A little white trout, world. Take it off big, baby. World. That's a keeper specky right there, world. That's a keeper right there, world. Hello, world. Yeah. I knew there's gonna have more of the small ones in that, buddy. Hello, world. What you got? Side, 13 inches. Big one underneath the bird. Ooh, hello world. It's got a double good speck. I got a red. Get my net out, world. We got a good red here, world. Come on, world. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, get tight. Oh! All that and he pulled off. Double croaker, double white trout. Bird just scooping up the shrimp left and right. Hello world. don't think neither one are big enough to speck a trout. No white. Nope. 2 specks. Hey. Oh crap. That was a keeper, world. Where the keeper's at, world? Come on, be a keeper. There we go. There we go, world. Oh, there's the keeper. I got one. Green golden apple. Let's see. Let's make sure. Just make it 12 inches. Sucker not slacking you out. Oh, where your brother's at? Ooh. Just that one, world. Might keep, might not. Might coming in too easy. Felt good out there. Fat sucker. Put a shrimp in it, pretty. Stankers. Hello, world. Alright, got down to one. Got to double trouble on. Biting funny. Either gonna smash it or they're gonna play with it. Oh, he's big enough. Check him, bro. Let's see what we got. Ooh, so close. Morning. They all of a sudden stopped.
Yeah, they did. The little ones though.
Yeah, well, I got a couple keepers. I caught a couple keepers, and I had a big red that popped off. We didn't pop off, he just pulled off. And I had to retire for a second because of the wind knot. And they started slowing down on me. I'm trying to figure which way they're going. The birds are leaving, so fish got to be going up or down. One or the other. Man, good one. Oh, man. Look at old bass I just lost. Hey, big old goggle line. We're hooking everything today. Let's go. Stay on, baby. Oh, both are double and both of them jumped off, bro. What the heck? 2 fish and both of them got off. What kind of crap is that? I'll start cranking y'all in. Maybe y'all won't get off. Oh, damn, Red. Come on, you're too small. You need to be 16 inches from me, buddy. You let the big one get off for me this morning. Hey, oh, this giant turkey here. What'd you say, Mr. Rick? Hey, bro, no call, no show. You got to go home. I'm just having fun along this edge, playing with whatever bite. Speckled trout acting funny in the middle. And
that's the first time I've seen the skulls this high up in the big spot.
Oh man, it hasn't happened in a few years, but I've seen it a bunch of times. What you fishing with?
When the water level gets higher up in here.
Come on, pull close to me so I can give you a couple baits. I know you don't have what you want, what you need.
I haven't got the strike. How's that?
I put them green ones on, those darker green ones, some golden apple.
Where'd you get these?
That's my boy, Mr. Charlotte with Spectrum Baits.
What
He
baits?
makes Spectrum. Spectrum, he's a local guy that makes it.
Wait, are you putting...
I got an 1/8 of an ounce on this here with a double setup with the regular straight chain hook on top.
Okay.
See, I got a double one. The top one is just a hook. One is an 1/8 of an ounce jig head.
I see.
And
That way you're not
now this
dragging
down
too-
here, I got 2 3/16 for that middle. The fish
Okay,
in the middle.
gotcha.
It
I know
ain't
it's
that.
not you.
It ain't that. Even though it's just some old bass, but I came out here to catch fish today, no matter what it was. Come here, baby. Come here. I ain't letting go. Butt here. Crank this butt in. Yo, wow, this. Y'all ain't got slow yet. Rick, trawl back along through here. Go along that side. Now, there, right there by the boat. Let the dog. Oh. Beautiful little trout, though.
Yeah, better.
Ooh.
Go better on that one?
Yeah, eat a double probably. Hopefully, 2 good ones. Nope, just 1 good one under the bottom. But he might keep, Rick. He was trying to sneak away. Nah, I think he's a little small.
No, this ain't small.
No. That's too many hits for nothing. Trying to get a little better. I was here by myself this morning, milking them. And then that boat with the old lady and the man who just left pulled up. They started doing a little something. But then nobody did what I did, so everybody started moving.
How often do you see this, Corey? The shrimp this high up?
Every couple of years.
Okay.
Good one there. Yeah, except for that boat, man. Stay on. Oh, maybe. That's a whitey. That's a keeper no matter what. He long enough for a whitey. There, Mr. Rick. Old white trout world. Here we go. Good fight, good fish. Croaker. Croaker world. Spectrum Baits catching everything when they call white trout. We call croaker. We call bass. We call redfish. All this morning on Spectrum Baits. I'm using the golden apple today. Dog, daddy missed it. Up a little close, Mr. Rick. Hey. Look like we need to put a measure on him, Mr. Rick. I see. Oh, yeah, Mr. Rick. I'm glad I like these reels, Mr. Rick. I ordered one of these Daiwa Fuegos, and I like it. I'm glad I like it because I accidentally ordered 3 of them. Right here. Look like one. Hello, world. Like an old keeper speckle trout. Let's see what we got. Oh, give me my bait back. 12.5-inch trout, world. Double speckled trouts, world. Neither one of them big enough though. Had to finesse it, but double up, Mr. Rick. 2 at a time. Neither one of them can stay though. They just visited.
And I noticed something was really neat. I really enjoyed that.
What that was?
You
Oh, okay.
showing people
There we go.
right there how to fish, catching the fish in front of them, and watch them just go, no, I'm gonna do it my way. Here's the Martian showing people how to fish the bayou.
Yes,
Where
sir.
to fish, and catch the fish in front of them, show them the fish, and they're gonna do it their own way. I love it. More for us.
Yeah. I try to teach people. Sometimes they listen.
Try.
Sometimes they listen. Sometimes they don't.
Hey.
Okay. Ooh, shit. Oh, croaker. Yeah. Caught him under the chin. Look what I got, Mr. Rick. Got double bass. No, I got a white bass and a bass. Hey, I done caught all kind of species, bro. You catch a little bit of everything. I gotta take a picture of them.
What is it? You got
A white bass and a regular bass. Spec drum baits catching everything. When they caught white trout, we caught croaker, we caught bass, we caught redfish. All this morning on spec drum baits. I'm using the golden apple today.